Welcome to the diagnosis. If your business is stuck in a feast or famine cycle, this is for you. High-level founders often face a pipeline trap, unpredictable, stressful client flow. Let's see what that looks like. 1 week, your calendar is empty. The next, it's completely packed. This inconsistency drains your energy and stalls real growth. This unpredictability isn't just frustrating. It prevents you from scaling. You can't plan hiring, investments, or even your time when you're always bracing for the next drop-off. Most people assume this instability is a content or visibility problem, leading them to misdiagnose the issue entirely. You're told to post more, dance more, or chase the next viral trend. But if 3 posts a week aren't working, 30 won't fix your fundamental mechanics. The truth is, you don't have a content problem. You have a mechanism problem. Your pipeline is not a strategy. It's a lottery ticket. At Swarigio, we focus on clarity and structure. We don't sell trends. We build authority that closes consistently. We begin with a private pipeline audit, a calm, professional diagnostic of your entire lead infrastructure. We map the full customer journey, from the moment a prospect discovers you, all the way to the decision to buy, ensuring every step is intentional. The goal is to find where attention, trust, and momentum are dropping off. We audit your positioning, offer architecture and content, the 3 core areas where most founders unintentionally repel high-ticket clients. We pinpoint leaks in critical areas, whether it's broken trust-building assets or a complete lack of systematic follow-up. This is your mechanism problem. Swarigio's process restores continuity, turning chaos into a predictable asset. We install the quiet lead machine, a structured backend infrastructure designed to convert attention into booked calls 24/7. This is about moving away from the content treadmill and building assets that work for you, even when you're offline. This is systems over hustle. The ultimate outcome is the elimination of the feast or famine cycle, replaced by steady, consistent client flow. Imagine checking your calendar and seeing consistent, high-intent opportunities. Not a frantic rush, but a calm, aligned flow of leads who already trust you. Stop letting hope be your strategy. Let's fix the system and build the predictable inbound activity your business deserves.